What if I told you? The watch you wear secretly reveals your personality. Are you driven by technology, obsessed with craftsmanship, or addicted to precision and performance? Because today, we're not just comparing watches, we're exposing three different lifestyles: smartwatch, mechanical, chronograph. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one defines you. Let's start with the disruptor. The smartwatch didn't ask for permission. It didn't respect tradition. It simply took over. Models like the Apple Watch Series 10 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 turned the watch into a mini-computer. Heart rate, sleep tracking, messages, calls, apps, GPS. It's no longer just about time. Why people love it: total convenience, health awareness, daily productivity, seamless phone integration. But here's the uncomfortable truth: it needs charging. It becomes outdated. And in 5 years, it might feel old. A smartwatch is powerful, but is it timeless? Now we step into a different world. No battery, no screen, no notifications, just gears, springs, craftsmanship. When you wear a watch like the Rolex Submariner Date, you're wearing decades of engineering evolution. When you strap on the Omega Speedmaster Professional, you're wearing a piece of space history. Mechanical watches tick because of energy stored in a mainspring. Pure physics, pure art. Why collectors love them: emotional value, heritage, longevity, resale, strength, mechanical beauty. But let's be honest, they're expensive. They require servicing, and they're less accurate than quartz or smartwatches. So the question becomes, do you want precision or do you want passion? Now, things get interesting. Chronograph isn't about smart features, and it's not about minimal tradition. It's about control. A chronograph is essentially a stopwatch built into your watch. Racing drivers used it. Pilots relied on it. Athletes depended on it. Take the Tag Heuer Carrera Chronograph, a watch born from motorsport heritage. Push the button. Time starts. Push again. Time stops. It feels mechanical, tactical, intentional. Why people choose chronographs: sporty design, functional timing tool, technical complexity, bold presence on the wrist. But complexity has a cost: more moving parts, higher servicing bills, and sometimes a crowded dial. Still, it makes a statement. Let's simplify it. Smartwatch, Shiru, the future. Mechanical, and the legacy. Chronograph, yeah, the performer. One tracks your heart. One captures history. One measures moments. But here's something most people never think about. A smartwatch reflects efficiency. A mechanical watch reflects identity. A chronograph reflects intensity. So what matters more to you? Technology, tradition, performance? Now I want to know something. If you had to choose only one type of watch for the next 10 years, would you go with smart, mechanical, or chronograph? Comment below with just one word: smart, mechanical, or chronograph. Let's see which lifestyle wins. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more deep dives into the world of watches. Because time is more than numbers on a dial.